10 technologies. One continent rebuilding itself in real time. The only question left is, which one changes your life first? By 2035, Europe will look nothing like it does today. And the reason isn't politics. It's this: 10 technologies, already being built, already changing everything. Here are the 10 technologies rebuilding this continent from the ground up. Number 4 alone could change how you get to work every single day. Number 1, autonomous air taxis. By 2035, cities like Paris and Munich plan networks, moving passengers above the gridlock entirely. Number 2, AI diagnostics. Algorithms are already catching diseases years before symptoms appear, turning prevention into the new cure. Number 3, self-balancing energy grids. AI now predicts demand hour by hour, cutting waste and blackouts across entire regions. Number 4, precision farming. Machines now decide exactly what each square meter of soil needs, boosting yields while using far less water.
Number 5, humanoid robots. Not replacing workers entirely, but taking over the repetitive, dangerous tasks no one wants to do.
Number 6, AI storm prediction. Systems now warn cities in advance, activating flood defenses before a single drop falls.
Number 7, personalized AI tutors. Every student now learns at their own pace. The same technology, a completely different lesson for each person. Number 8, AI-managed cities. Traffic lights, public transport, even street lights, all adjusting themselves in real time, citywide.
Number 10, AI cyber defense. Europe's digital borders are now guarded by systems that detect and stop attacks in milliseconds. Number 10, brain-computer interfaces. Still early, but patients with paralysis are already typing, and even speaking, using thought alone.
If you want to see what's coming next, because the next 10 technologies might be even bigger,